Welcome to the Management Center YouTube channel. Ever caught yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? We've all been there, haven't we? The dreaded moment when you realize that your bank balance is dwindling faster than you'd like. This is where the concept of money management comes into play. We're thrilled to offer you a 100% free money management course. Learn essential skills to budget, save, and invest wisely. It's designed to empower you on your journey towards financial freedom. Don't miss out. Enroll now and secure your financial future. Check the link below in the description to get started. Let's make smart money moves together. Okay, let's move on to today's session. Money management is the art of budgeting, saving, investing, spending, or otherwise in overseeing the cash usage of an individual or group. It's the lifeboat in the vast ocean of financial uncertainties. Effective money management might just be the solution to this perennial problem. So, what exactly is money management? Well, it's not a magic trick, but it can certainly make your money do some pretty impressive things. Imagine it as being the grand conductor of your financial orchestra. It's the process of budgeting, saving, investing, and spending. It's about overseeing the capital usage, not just for individuals, but also for groups. Think of it like this. You're the captain of the ship, and your money is the crew. If you lead well, you can venture through the stormiest of financial seas and still reach your destination. Good money management can help you live within your means, without having to constantly worry about the next big bill. It allows you to prepare for emergencies because, let's face it, life does love to throw us curveballs. And importantly, it helps you save for the future, for those sun-drenched beach holidays, or maybe even a cozy retirement nest. In essence, good money management can make or break your financial future. Now that we know what money management is, how can we do it effectively? Let's start with creating a budget. Imagine your income as a pie, and every slice represents a different category, like housing, food, entertainment, and savings. By allocating your income like this, you can ensure that every penny has its own purpose. Next, set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a car, or simply hoarding for a rainy day, having a tangible objective can help you stay motivated and focused. Now let's talk about tracking spending. It's like keeping a food diary, but instead of calories, you're counting pennies. It can be an eye-opening experience to see where your money actually goes, and it can help you make smarter financial decisions. Building an emergency fund is another crucial step. It's like having a safety net, but instead of catching you when you fall from a trapeze, it catches you when life throws unexpected expenses your way. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Lastly, invest wisely. Investing is not just for the Wolf of Wall Street types. Even small amounts can grow exponentially over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Start small, stay patient, and watch your money grow. Remember, the key to money management is consistency and discipline. So, keep these tips in mind, apply them consistently, and watch your financial health improve over time. To wrap it all up, let's recap what we've discussed today. We've broken down the concept of money management into its simplest form, the effective control and organization of your hard-earned cash. The importance of this skill cannot be overstated, as it is the secret ingredient to financial freedom and security. We've also explored some practical tips to improve your money management game. Remember, it all starts with setting clear financial goals, followed by crafting a budget that works for you. Don't forget to save diligently, invest wisely, and keep an eye on your spending habits. And yes, even in the world of finance, a healthy dose of humor can make the journey a lot less daunting. With these tips, you're now well equipped to take control of your financial future. So, will you let your money manage you, or will you manage your money? If you want to learn more about money management, check the link below in the description to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on money management and financial management.